Hey everyone, welcome back. If your Walmart account is locked or suspended, it is usually due to multiple failed login attempts or security checks. First, wait for a few minutes before trying to log in again, as temporary locks may automatically expire. Then, make sure that you're entering the correct email and password. Then, use the password reset option if you're unsure of your login credentials. Check your email for any messages from WhatsApp, Walmart explaining the suspension or security issues. If your account remains locked, contact Walmart customer support to verify your identity and restore access, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.